All right, it's that time, Kara.
It is time for the Allrecipes Cooking Challenge. And today we're making caramel apples. Do you say caramel or caramel?
I sell caramel.
Okay, so we're gonna make sure that we post this recipe. We love Allrecipes because it's, well, it's part of the Meredith family, but it always gives us really simple instructions, and then you can see the user responses.
I'm starting.
Starting with Granny Smith apples. We got some sticks. We found this all at our local Big Y. You're just gonna put the sticks in, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna work on the caramels.
Okay.
There's only 2 tablespoons of water needed.
Okay.
Into this pan, and then we need all the caramels, and I'm supposed to just keep stirring.
I think you're gonna need a little water because it evaporated because it's too hot.
Well, if I need a little bit more, just
Yeah, a little smidge more.
there we go. All right. Cooked. It just says combine the caramels and the water on low heat and stirring often until caramel melt and that they're smooth.
So far, this is going in pretty amazingly easily. So far, so good.
So I'm gonna just turn up the heat just a little bit.
Kiss this one up to God. Get the 5-minute rule.
So we just need to get these nice and warm.
Okay, that one. Okay, there we go.
Okay?
Yeah. Yeah, good luck, Kara.
Well,
turn it up a little.
I did.
Turn it up even more.
You want me to go? I just don't want to burn it because caramels burn. It said low heat. In the interest of TV, we're trying to rush it, but they're starting to melt. I think once they start to melt, Jamie, our producer, is like a real baker, so don't you think once they start to melt, it's going to speed up just a little bit? They're going to go quick, right?
Just keep stirring.
Because you don't want to burn. But basically, this is going to turn into a sauce, and then we're going to dip them. How easy is that? All right, so while we're doing this, I just want to see, because this is what I do. If you ever use Allrecipes, you get to read what people say. So there was a user chef, and his name is Sudith, and he said, this is a great recipe. I do one thing differently. I wrapped each apple in paper towels after putting a wooden stick on it, and then put them in a big gallon freezer bag and stuck them in the freezer for an hour first. Then I dipped the apples in the caramel and made sure there was no condensation on the outside, and the caramel stuck better. I didn't have so much runoff. You can do it if you want, yeah.
Add a little manpower there, Kara.
Oh, really? Okay. Cinny Bear, that's her username. She says, easy and fun to make, stick to melting the caramels in the pan rather than the microwave. I found the microwave causes them to harden much quicker than if melted in the pan. So we're definitely doing the pan. It's starting to work. Do you think I should be brave and turn it up even more, or we don't want to?
I think you should turn it up.
All right.
Crank it up, baby.
Just keep stirring it because, you know, no one wants smoky caramels.
I think we need a little more liquid.
No, because they're going to melt.
Sure?
Yeah, they're melting. They're like chocolate chips. Once they melt, they melt. Just, oh, look, it's working. It's working. It's starting to look like peanut butter. That's good.
Okay, how are you? How was your weekend?
My weekend was good. We had to go down to Hammonasset Beach last night, which was great. My daughter was getting some photos for her dance team, and they did come at the beach, and it was so beautiful. So everyone got to say goodbye at summer. Hey, I went to the Clam Shack that came on here, and I ordered the Rhode Island clam chowder.
Oh, seriously?
Yes, it was so good. Shout out to the Clam Castle. Clam Castle, it's called. Yeah,
Okay, this is, we should have started this like, oh, look, see, it's got a nice creamy consistency.
It's gonna seem like, you know, we're good. We're gonna at least get one of these done for sure.
I think we can just let it go and just let it sit there until it melts.
You can't. You have to keep stirring.
All right.
I know.
What's the vanilla for?
You don't have the patience. It's just a little flavor.
Oh, okay.
Just a little flavor. It's coming. All right. I'm gonna be brave. I'm turning this up to 12 because I'm just gonna make sure it doesn't burn, and then we'll turn it down. Okay.
That sounds like a great idea, Kara.
Well, come on, we have to make sure that it melts before the show's over.
Amy, come over here and help us. The craft woman. I'm sure. What could possibly go wrong?
We're just gonna have to keep here. I'm not taking my hands out of this, so you add a little bit of vanilla.
Right into the mix?
Yeah.
Right there?
Mm-hmm. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Don't make it.
See, you need more liquid.
Okay, there we go. We're turning it down now.
No, keep going. Amy, get in here.
Get in here. What do we need?
What
All right,
do you
we've
think?
got 1 minute left. It's time to dip the apples before it's over. Come on. Do you think we should be bold and add a little bit of water, even though it was only 2 tablespoons? We've already gone over.
I'd let it go.
Let it go?
Let it go.
It's going to continue to melt?
It really is coming along.
It's coming.
It just takes a little while.
It just takes a little longer than maybe we have patience for or time for on TV. Okay. All right. All right, let's go and dip one. I think it's like basically ready.
All right, here we go. That's it?
you're supposed to go around them, scoop it around, turn it around.
I can't, the stick is in there.
All right.
Ready? Let's roll one.
Amy, I'm sure this is not what Allrecipes had in mind.
All right, go. There we go.
There you
Hey, it's still good. Just
There you go. Look, it's so great. Have a great day, everybody. Would you like a taste of my caramel?
thanks for joining us. The news is next.